Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm back with another video and this is the Diwali makeup look. So what is Diwali without a little bit of sparkle, right? So I came up with this makeup look. This looks really elegant and glam and you can wear it during the daytime as well as the nighttime. You can switch the lip color to a red or a burgundy for a more dramatic look. And if you want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. So I'm taking this Maybelline Master Prime and applying it on the T-zone area and also on my cheeks and then blending it with a doe fiber brush. Then I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I just love this foundation because it is budget friendly and also because of its coverage. And I'm just applying it all over my face and blending it with my Real Technique sponge. Then I'm taking this LA Girl concealer and applying it under my eyes to hide the dark circles and then blend it with the sponge. Then to brighten the under eye area, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It just beautifully brightens the under eye area and makes me look more awake. Then taking this Perth and Doris loose powder, I'm packing it under my eyes with the help of the sponge. And without taking any additional product, whatever's left on this sponge, I'm just applying it all over my face to set my face. Now I'm going to push the powder under my eyes and blend it really well to get a seamless look. Now taking this brown shade from Maybelline The Nudes palette, I'm just going to fill in my brows. Next, taking this brown shade from the same palette, I'm just going to apply it to the crease of my eyes. And blend the color really well and keep on adding the color till the time I'm happy with the intensity. Next, I'm taking this cool toned soft brown shade which has got a little bit of silver in it, and I'm going to apply it in the inner third area of my eyelids. And then taking this mauvey brown shade, I'm going to apply it in the outer corners of my eyes and then slowly blend it in the crease area. Then I thought that this was looking too cool toned for Diwali. Then I ended up adding this gold color from the Nudes palette on top of it. And then adding a little bit more color on the outer corners. Then taking this mauvey brown shade again, I'm going to put it in the lower lash line. Then for more precision, I'm taking this small brush and applying this beautiful plum shade on the outer corner of my eyes and then blending it again without taking any extra product. Then taking this black eyeshadow, I'm going to line my upper lash line. I'm not going to use any eyeliner for a soft, smoky look. Then I'm going to take this beautiful gold shade from the Makeup Revolution palette and apply it in the inner corners of my eyes. And then taking this black kajal, I'm going to tight line my eyes and apply it in the lower lash line. I just love using kajal. I think it just defines the Indian eyes so beautifully, and I think it just makes the Indian look more complete. Then taking the same gold shade I applied in the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to apply it in the brow bone area and then just blend it using no extra product. Then I'm taking this pink blush and applying it on my cheeks. And then I remembered I did not contour my face, so now contouring my face. And now I'm back with the lashes and I'm wearing the Benefit Pin-Up lashes. Now I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. I just love this highlighter and I'm applying it on all the high points of my face. And then taking this Vaseline, I'm just going to apply it in the inner third area of my eyelids. And then I'm applying gold glitter on top of my eyelids where I applied the Vaseline. And this gives a gorgeous wet look to the eyes, which I just love. Now I'm applying some black eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Now I'm lining my lips and then I'm going to apply 2 lip shades to get the perfect peachy nude shade. So the lip liner is from Studio West. It is in the shade Misty Mauve. Then I'm applying Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon in the shade Peach Magnet. And then the L'Oreal Infallible Gloss in the shade Nude Allude. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you like it, and if you did, then do give it a try, and also like, share and comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video. And I wish you and your family a very happy Diwali, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.